What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Billshowto. So today I've got a quick video for you guys on how to remove 3M hooks properly, and what I mean by properly is to avoid any damage on the existing surface. So when we remove the cover here, you can see there's a little tab to remove the adhesive. But so many people actually don't remove it properly, and then I'm sent out to patch and repaint a damaged wall. So I'll show you guys quickly what it ends up looking like. So you can see here, somebody's tried to remove two 3M hooks and they've damaged the surface. If we have a look very close, you can see the paint's been removed. Some of the surface has been removed as well. Now this has to be patched and repainted. So to avoid a costly mistake, this is how you remove it properly. Alright guys, so to remove this properly, this is the way that you're supposed to do it. We remove the outer cover, and then if we have a look down the bottom here, there's a little tab. Now it has arrows pointing down. That is the most important part here. Make sure that you pull the tab down and not out towards yourself. If you pull that out towards yourself, it's simply going to be still adhered to the wall, and it's going to remove that surface, including the paint. So what we need to do, grab onto the bottom of the tab here, and we want to pull directly down. Now you can see there, it's starting to stretch out. What happens at this point, a lot of people continue to pull, holding it down the bottom, and what happens is the material starts to thin out and it ends up snapping right up on the top, and then you no longer have that tab to pull out. So if that happens, what you need to do at that point is get yourself a heat gun or even a dryer, heat up the surface, make sure that the adhesive starts to thin out, and we can then remove it nice and easy. So that's probably the worst case scenario. If it does snap, make sure that you get a heat gun on there or a hair dryer and just simply try and remove that off. What we want to do in this case is, because the product here is starting to thin out, we want to reduce the chance of it snapping. So what you need to do, slide your finger up on the top, hold on with both fingers, and then start pulling down. Slide it up again, pull it down. Continue to repeat that process, making sure that we've got a nice comfortable grip on here. And once that's done, guys, that is how you remove it properly. So hopefully I'll save you guys a bit of money in the future, and you won't have to have somebody like me come out and patch and paint your wall. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.